Hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast. I am Aliff Imran, will be your host for today. As for the episode, we will dive into an insightful case study on Spotify, exploring how its agile approach helped scale its global business. We will also touch on how this connects to training agile mindset in technology, management and business planning, and also data-driven decision making. So let's get into it. As we're familiar with Spotify, the music streaming giant, is a great example of agility in action. Founded in 2006, Spotify has transformed the way we consume music and rapidly became a global leader in the industry. But what's the secret to their success? It's their ability to embrace an agile mindset across every aspect of their business. Spotify is a great example of what happens when a company truly embraces agility. From day one, they build a culture around innovation, teamwork, and flexibility. Instead of relying on rigid hierarchies, they organize their teams into small, independent groups called squads. Each squad owns a specific part of the platform, giving them the freedom to experiment, make decisions quickly, and take action without waiting for layer of approval. This approach allows Spotify to constantly improve, testing new ideas and rolling out updates that keep the app fresh and in tune with what users want. But it's not just their product development that's agile, their entire business operates that way. Spotify has shown incredible adaptability, whether it's navigating the complex of the global music market, working with record labels, or tailoring their service for users in different countries. They listen carefully to customer feedback and use data to fine-tune everything from playlist recommendation to the overall experience of using the app. It isn't just about running a fast-paced business. For Spotify, it's about creating something bigger, a movement that transforms how we access and enjoy music. Their story is proof that being agile is also a mindset, one that puts innovation, people, and adaptability at the heart of everything you do. So, next time you hit play on your favorite song, remember, it's not just the music that makes Spotify special, it's the agility behind the scene that keep the platform innovative, efficient, and ready for the future. So, what is Agile? At its core, Agile is about breaking work to smaller, manageable pieces and approaching projects in short. It's a methodology where teams constantly test, adapt, and improve as they go, rather than sticking to long-term plans. Now, why did Agile work so well for Spotify? Simply put, it gives them speed and flexibility. By working in small, autonomous teams, what they call squads, Spotify was able to make decisions faster and more efficiently. This means they could release updates quickly, constantly responding to user needs and staying ahead of the competition. Agile also encourages a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Teams not afraid to try new ideas and evaluate if needed. This ability to adapt, combined with a strong focus on delivering value to users, is what sets Spotify apart and allows them to thrive in a fast-changing industry. Now, let's explore how Spotify builds an agile mindset in its workforce, a crucial part of their long-term success. Spotify knows that agility isn't just about processes and tools, it's about people. That's why they focus on creating an environment where teams can truly thrive and grow with an agile mindset. To make this happen, Spotify has dedicated agile coaches who work side by side with teams. Instead of just pushing rules, these coaches help them figure out what agile practice works best for them, making collaboration smoother and workflow more efficient. It's all about empowering teams to find their own solution and succeed together. Mentorship also a big part of their culture. More experienced team members share insights, lessons, and effective practice with new colleagues, ensuring that good ideas and process continue to grow and evolve with company. Spotify invests in employee growth through the workshop, training session, and learning program focused on agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban. This initiative they strengthen the entire team, which ultimately improves Spotify platform and the experience millions of listeners around the world enjoy. Regular review and evaluation are another important piece. Teams often reflect on their progress, learn from mistakes, celebrate wins, and make quick adjustments. This constant learning and adapting help keep team aligned with Spotify mission and responsive to what users actually need. By prioritizing an agile mindset, Spotify has built a workforce that not only creative and flexible, but also ready to tackle whatever challenge comes next. Their commitment to people and continuous growth is the reason of staying at the front of the music streaming world. Let's come down to management and business planning, specifically on how Spotify approaches flexible business plan in the fast-paced world of technology. In traditional business, companies usually stick to long-term plans that might take years to complete. But for a tech company like Spotify, that kind of planning just doesn't work. Technology changes quickly, and so do people habits and preference. That's why Spotify approaches planning differently. Instead of making one big plan and following it no matter what, they break their strategy into short-term cycles. This cycle let them set clear goals that guide their work, but they don't lock them into a fixed path. Every few weeks, they revisit their plans, make updates, and shift their focus based on new information. This is about staying flexible and ready to adapt. Spotify relies on real-time data and feedback to guide their decision. For example, if they notice a new trend of people using the playlist or a new competitor enter the market, they don't wait for months to make change. They adjust their strategy quickly, ensuring they stay relevant and aligned with what users want. Fascinating, isn't it? This way of planning helps Spotify stay connected to current trends and avoid getting stuck with outdated ideas. It's a mindset that welcomes change instead of resisting it. It's one of the reasons why Spotify continues to lead the world streaming industry. For tech businesses, success isn't about having a flawless plan. It's about having a plan that can grow a change with the time. Staying flexible and learning as you go is the key to staying competitive in a fast-changing world. Lastly, but not least, one of the standout features resulting from this approach is Discover Weekly, a personalized playlist updated every Monday. This playlist analyzes individual music preference, search behavior, playlist data, location, and device usage to recommend tracks that align with each unique taste. Spotify data analytics extends beyond just recommending songs. The platform also supports artists by providing insight into their fan base, helping them understand listener demographic and preference. This information has a value for artists to connect more deeply with their audience. Moreover, Spotify's commitment to personalization is evident in the continuous development of features that adapt to user behavior. For instance, the platform AI DJ is analyzing user listening habits to create personalized playlists, offering a very radio-like experience with a human touch. In addition, Spotify yearly rap feature provide users with a summary of their listening habit over the year, including top song, artists in general. This feature not only engage users but also encourage them to share their music preference on social media, further promoting the platform. By using data analytics, Spotify ensures that it remains responsive to user needs, continually enhancing its platform to provide a seamless and personalized music streaming experience. To wrap things up, Spotify's success isn't just about having the best music or the most user-friendly interface. It's about how they have embraced agility across every phase of their business, from creating a culture of flexibility with their squad to continuously adapting their business strategy and technology. Spotify has built a platform that stays ahead of the curve. So next time, when you are jamming to your favorite song or reflecting on your yearly music with rap, remember, it's not just about the tune, it's about the company that always adapting, learning, and growing to provide a personalized and seamless experience for every listener around the world. Thanks for tuning in today's episode. I'm Aliff Imran, and I hope this dive into Spotify Agile approach has given you some valuable insight. Hope to see you next time.